Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. Today, I just want to discuss the husband and wife come after marriage. As marriage go for 2 3 years, and they come to me and sit in my chamber and they start fighting over petty matters. And they say they have their grown up kids also, and they don't want to stay together because they have temperamental differences. Sometimes so happen the husband have extramarital affair as well, and sometimes the husband is not bearing livelihood about his wife, and wife is in a trouble. So in that very situation, what they should do, they I just generally suggest them that they should go for, instead of filing number of cases, they can go for mutual divorce in the court, because mutual divorce take only 6 months time. Once they appear in the court first time, they have to give statement, and they have to decide their terms and condition, with whom the kids will stay, and property will distribution, whether the property will go in the parent, in their in his wife name, or whether he like to give property to his beloved kids also. And because they are grown ups, after that they have to get married, or marries also, and after, and they have to go to college also. A number of expenses are there where wife is not sufficient to bear all the expenses. Generally, I suggest them they should resolve the matter. They can organize panchayat and sit together and sort out the matter. But sometimes the difference is so high that they are so fed up with each other that they want to go to the court. So, in that very situation, 13B of HMA Hindu Marriage Act is sufficient for them to sort out their own problem. And the husband, I just generally suggest he should give lifetime maintenance to his wife, and some of the part of the property to be given in the name of their kids also. And if it's a self-required property of husband, he can make a will after his death. If he require, he can give the property in the name of his kid, and when they are mature, they can ask for the share also. Or that naturally the property, if the mention in the will, that will go after the death of his their father only. But generally these kind of conditions are mentioned. And again, instead of giving her monthly livelihood, she go prefer for lifetime maintenance, where she can use that amount for herself, future, and future of the kid also. And sometimes so happen that they go to the court and fighting unnecessary, abusing language they use against each other, and against their relatives also, and it make a fun of them, because generally the people are taking not much interest what is going on their family matters. And they use so much nonsense talk in front of each other, where the public listen to them, and they spoil their matrimonial relation, and it becomes zero for them. It's not. I suggest this kind of situation should not arise. If they have dispute, they sit in the room and have a good fight together, but that should be in privacy. Why you are explaining your all the problems and your interferences to the public level also, where the public also feel that husband and wife relationship is not good, and they should not go for marriage again also. That is the reason that these extramarital affair, even in living a relationship, the kids are giving more preference, because they generally saw their wife, their parents, husband and wife fighting together over petty matters. They have lot of temperamental differences, and they fight a lot. That the other, if listen to them, they feel very harassed and biased also. So I suggest this kind of situation should be arise. They can go for 13B of HMA Hindu Marriage Act, and based on that they can decide the terms and condition, and the statement should be recorded openly in the court. And whatever the amount husband wife to give to the wife, he can give half of the amount to the wife at first motion, and in second motion after 6 months the honorable judge will ask them again they want to stay separate happily together, or they want divorce. If they are agreed that want to stay happily together, they can be together. But in case they are not, they are denying that they are not interested and they want to be get separated, the honorable court also decide divorce in their favor of 13B HMA into marriage act. After that they get a degree, they are free to live their life happily. They want to get married again, they can do that. or do not want to resettle again in their marriage, they can do that. But that should be done in a peaceful manner, not this kind of situation arise where dirty and filthy language has been ever used in the court, which make fun of them and other also bias. Thank you so much for my information which I given to you. I'm practicing District Court Delhi as well as Supreme Court of India myself, Pinky Chawla Advocate. My number is 9818 277 If you have any queries in detail about this matter, you are feel free to talk to me but with prior information. Thank you so much.